Hi everyone. Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add an overlay in CapCut so it tracks a subject. This feature is perfect for adding dynamic effects, annotations, or images that follow a moving object in your video. If you enjoy learning video editing tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open CapCut and select the video and the overlay you'd like to edit. Import the video into your project and add it to the timeline. Step 2. Now let's add the overlay. Drag the overlay above your video, adjust its size by dragging the edges, and position it over the object in your video that you want to track. Step 3. With the overlay in place, let's enable motion tracking. Select the overlay in the timeline, then click on Tracking from the toolbar. You'll see a motion tracking box appear. Adjust the box so it frames the object you want to track. Step 4. Choose the tracking direction, whether it's horizontal, vertical, or both, and enable the scale adjustment option if you want the overlay to resize dynamically with the tracked object. Step 5. Once everything is set up, click the Start Tracking button. CapCut will process the video and track the object's movement. Depending on your video's length, this might take a moment. And that's how you can add an overlay in CapCut and make it track a subject. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.